Hi guys, NN Planet Empire, Novicost here. Very quickly, I'll be showing how to record with a stem beat, either with mp3 or waves. Detecting your tempo and recording with the original tempo of the beat is very important. Let's take a look at some examples. The first thing to do is to open up a BPM counter. The BPM counter I'm using today is a stock plugin inside of Logic, but you can as well download a BPM counter software of your choice. So after calling, I want to load up my plugin. Then we want to put on our metronome. Unless it's we have our tempo now. Our BPM counter is suggesting 95 BPM. So we'd set our tempo to 95 BPM. So let's play and see if it syncs. So immediately you see that it's not syncing yet. So the next thing to do is you want to zoom out, go to the beginning of the track. You want to zoom out a lot. You want to try as much as possible to clear the space at the beginning of the track. So what I'm going to do is go into the snap section, put my snap region to absolute value. I want to choose between my frames and quarter frames. Possibly I might want to go for, let's try frames. So let's hit play. My soul is hiding so far away. My soul is hiding so far. My soul is hiding so far away. My soul is hiding so far. Ransom got that sauce in it. So immediately you see that our beat and our tempo are now in sync. I'll be showing one more example. So this is the previous tempo of the former example. Now we're going to open our BPM counter.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, as you can see, we have 130 BPM and we have 98 BPM. I think I will go for 98. If you look at the tempo, of course it can be 130. So I'm going to set my tempo to 98. So we still don't have the beat on sync with the tempo. So what I'm going to do now is, let's go to the beginning of the track. I'm going to go to the snap section. Let's try out my frames. Let's hit play. Okay, we close, but it's still not in sync properly. So I'm going to go to the snap section again and choose quarter frames. we are having a little bit of delay. So I'm still going to take that out. So we can actually see that our beats and our tempo are now in sync. So guys, if you have actually enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for more notification. Peace.